Alright, this is my Pro 450 meat grinder. I got it from Cabela's. This is their store brand. I got a great deal on it because I got it one night when they had the employee discount after hours. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, once you open it up, you'll see you have your pusher, which is plastic. Inside there it holds the two bits to put on the end for making sausage and the blades, which you can kind of see right there. Oops. You have your handy dandy wrench. It's plastic. Shouldn't over tighten it anyway. And what I really liked about this, not only did I have to not pay name brand price, but I still got a nice solid stainless steel construction, nice solid locking nut, nice stainless steel tray, and the device is rather well built. Stainless steel on the outside. You got your easy switches there. You have your on, off, and reverse in case you get something jammed in there. Relatively free of logos, it just says Cabela's there. Professional meat grinder. Then, oddly enough, it says don't use commercially on the box. But anyway, yeah, you've got your. This is where the piece attaches, or like such, and hopper on top. And I'll show you it all together shortly. One thing I like about this design is it's really smooth and streamlined, so there's not a lot of places for the meat particles to get stuck and then get nasty. Previously I'd used my wife's KitchenAid mixer, and yeah, the little plastic attachment that went on top, it did okay, but it was kind of flimsy, and the mixer itself had all these nooks and crannies for particles of meat to get into, where this just doesn't. So hopefully I have a video of me using this. I've got a deer this year. I'm going to cut them up and drop them on in. Also, of course, comes with the meat grinder manual here. List of parts, how to assemble it, how to use it, basic interior pieces, important notices, blah blah blah. Always good to look those over.